In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger call connecting problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Messenger, tap on Messenger, update your Messenger app if available any update version. Now search for 111 VPN, tap on it, tap on install. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Messenger, tap on Messenger, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now click on permission, allow all permission. Now open 1.1.1 VPN. Now click on next. Now click on accept. Then click on install VPN profile. Then OK. Not now. Then connect. Now open Messenger app. Now click on any chat. Then call someone. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger call connecting problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.